Today I'm going to talk about Pong game. First, we import the title library. Then we wrote the code for the background screen by using turtle screen function. We created left and right pedal by using the turtle function and position them by using good function. At last, we created the ball by using a turtle function and mention its moving speed on screen by using speed function and other required parameters. The illustration of the ball and pedal on the screen is ready. In the above code, after illustrating the outlook of the screen with pedals and ball, we will first initialize the score of about the players that is the 0. Then we will display the score on the screen, which will increase with the offset player missing the strike. We will then implement the functions for moving the pedal vertically. We will bind the keys for each function, that is for left pedal, R for up, and C for down. For right pedal up key for up and down key for down. Then we will initiate how the ball and striking of the battle will work. As if the ball has a pedal, it will go for the opposite player. But if the pedal misses the ball, then the ball will have a border and the opposite player will get a score. If the code is correct and no error is found, the screen of Pong game will pop up after running the code, and the players can play. The ball will first go to right player. Okay. Next, snake game. Step 1. First, we are importing the necessary libraries. After that, we are defining the width and height of the window in which the game will be played, and define color in RGB format that we are going to use in our game for displaying test. After steps 2, after importing libraries, we need to initialize Pygame using Pygame. Create a game window using the width and height defining the previous step. Step 3. Initialize snake position and its size. After initializing snake position, initialize the fruit position randomly, and vary in the definite height and width. Step 3. Initialize snake position. Step 4. Create a function to display the score of the player. This function, first we are creating a front object. The front color will go here. Then we're using render to create a background surface that we are going to change whenever we score update. Step 5. Now create a game over function They will represent the score after the snake is at by the wall or itself. In the first line, we are created from the object to display score. Then we are create ties the surfaces to render score. After that, we're setting the position of the ties in the middle of the playable area. Okay, raw. Look this. Okay, next. Egg catcher. The bit of the code will import the turtle time and random modulus that are built pre-installed in Python. Additionally, we will then set dot values for the player's initial score, the highest score the player will attain, and time of the play taken by the player in every move. The time model is used here to calculate the time of the play. The turtle models we import here will allow us to create a virtual canvas that will be the game window screen. From here we can create a snake's fur body and the food snake will collect of screen will also display the player's tracked score. Let me see here. Here we will set up a spec keys that will go the direction the snake will be moved on the screen. We will use the L for left, R for right, U for up, D for down. We will implement these directions using the turtle's direction function. We will call on the screen on the snake. Color, different color, the food and tracking that's the score. The player is able to control the snake from killing with the wall or his own body. The game restarts when the snake calls this color. Next. Look, very simple. Okay, next. Tic-tac-toe. The first initially directionally named the board and that's all the keys, the blank voice. Then we initialize the three voice player total moves and check with voice 1, 0 and 0 respectively. Step 3, we then we printed the tic-tac-toe board structure. showing the values that the users have to send in order to make an symmetry of X and O. Step 4, we will print the real tic-tac-toe in front of the users and also ask for the voice from the users. Step 4. Now, after the input is taken from the users, it is to be checked that if all 9 moves are over or some has won the game or now. Therefore, we create a function check that checks for the direction, horizontal, vertical, and shown below. Okay. Let me see. Oh, this one. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions you want to ask me, I will help you. This is my WeChat ID and mobile phone number.